Today I'm going to show you how to link Excel PDF in Google Sheets. So first, open your Google Sheets. For example, you can insert a PDF link here. So head over to your Google Drive. For example, we will insert this PDF, so just upload the PDF to your Google Drive. Now head over to Share. Click on Copy Link. Now get back to your Google Sheets, select this cell, click on Insert Link, and now paste your link here. Click on Apply Now. Every time somebody hovers over this cell, it will display your linked PDF file. So here in a few simple steps, we learned how to add an external PDF link in Google Sheets in a matter of a minute. So if you found this hack helpful and helped you with your work, just don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. It helps us a lot to publish more tech videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.